Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is my first time I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial or like filming makeup. Okay, so I always get started with putting on contacts. My contacts are in. I feel like I look really weird without my glasses. Probably because I'm always wearing my glasses. I love doing my eyeshadow, so the Jacqueline Hill Volume 2 palette. Springtime, and it's a spring look. The Mario. I don't know if I'm gonna go out today. I'm probably just gonna do my makeup and then play 7 Days to Die because I'm obsessed with that game. I got my pink mirror. My skin is very dry, like right here, so I'm gonna use this ColourPop No Filter. I know that they have a new concealer, and I probably do like an Ulta haul just to do like first impressions and see if I like it.
First, I'm going to apply concealer, apply positivity all over the lid, then I'm going to blend this all over the eye.
This is how it's turning out. Hey Google, turn on the Roku TV.
Sure, turning on Roku TV.
Thank you.
I will continue blending out this eyeshadow, adding more and more positivity over the eyelid. I'll be going into my nude palette. I'll be dipping into the shade Crave, and then I'll be applying this in the middle of my eye. Then I'll continue using positivity, blending it out in the inner corner and outer corners.
That's way too easy.
So that there's no harsh lines, I will continue blending positivity softly into the shade Crave. I will add concealer to the inner corner of my eyes to add a pop of color. Blend it out so that it's not harsh. I will go in with my eyeliner to make a cat eye. Onto priming the face, I will apply this all over my face, then I will add concealer. Blending in the concealer. Now I will use my Born This Way Too Faced foundation, then I'll apply it with a blending sponge. I'm going to take my NYX baking powder, and I'm just gonna tap this on my cheekbones, everywhere that it needs to bake.
I don't like this episode.
I will use the same eyeshadow and press this on my under eye. Then I will just blend it out softly. Now I can take out the baking powder. Then I'll take No Joke and press this lightly inside the inner corners of my eyes. Then lightly blend that out. Then I will do this one more time. And then blend it out. Use this natural loose powder, put this all over my face. Then I'll take my Milani blush and press this into my nose, my cheeks. To bronze, I'll use the Bahama Mama and just tap in circular motions around my face. Mascara, I'll use Bang Bang by Benefit. Now for highlighting, I will use the Heroine by Juvia's Place and just lightly tap this onto my cheekbones and nose. Then I'll use my Fenty Beauty lip gloss. Finish everything off, I'll use the NYX Setting Brick. I use my eyebrow gel so they stay in place. Well, that completes my video. But yeah, thank you for watching my video. This is a really easy makeup tutorial, and if you have any questions or you want to do something like this more often, let me know down in the comments. Like and subscribe. I hope you guys like it. Peace.